Welcome back to another day. Today we're going to work on the exhaust, which as you can see by my collection, it's just a collection of used ones we have. So I'm going to go over what my plan is here. So, starting with this. This is the 318 sedan exhaust. I plan on lopping it off so we can keep this resonator because anything to make it is more quiet than it is now. This is an Accord exhaust, I believe. It's got this nice bend in it, which if I remember correctly, I'm going to need a bend. And then finally, our finishing piece is this muffler, because it's like the only muffler we got. That's not like a D-series exhaust. So, I'm going to put all this together, and we'll see what we get. Obviously, really shitty exhaust, but better than cat dump. So, let's get started. So you watched me do that. That was cool. And then you got to see me like use a Sawzall on the exhaust. And I was like getting into it. And I'm ready to all weld it up. And then I decided that we should just take the exhaust off shit car. There it is. And what's even better is because I already cut the hole, I can't use the muffler now because it would look really stupid. So now we get to still put on that thing, which is probably going to be way too damn loud. And it'll look proper. And as you can see, Zach's arm is completely just mud because garbage.
I'm not happy.
He's very happy. Don't listen to him. So, because this is a 400,000 mile car,
It's surprisingly good shape for 400,000 miles.
It is,
actually.
but there's holes. So. Show the ladies and gentlemen what you got, Zach.
It's exhaust patch.
There it is. We got way too many of it. $50 worth.
Well, hopefully it works.
And then this is
No tools necessary. Simple wraparound.
a Tom
Seals
Specialist.
in minutes. Mechanics approved.
Oh, we're mechanics. Do you approve?
When I see it work, I'll approve.
So we're gonna get that on there, and then I'm gonna lop off that muffler, which I'll probably still hold on to, and then we will weld on that, and then entire exhaust system. So stick around.
First lid is fleeting.
So temporarily, I'm gonna run this stock exhaust until we have the time to sit down and actually weld it. But we'd really like to drive it tomorrow, so that's gonna stay. So it's kind of annoying that I cut that out. Sucks, but what are you gonna do? Big muffler later. For now, I'm going to work on hooking up everything. This whole under dash area. I gotta clean all this out because it's just gross. So my goal: get the under dash all secured. Get all the plastic in there, whatever else, and then clean it. Because, there's just so much dirt there. So, yeah. Oh my god, I can't even begin to describe just how much better that looks. I think that's it for the interior. I got some floor mats I'm throwing, but I'll wait till I get the car on the ground and outside. For now, I think I'm gonna get the bumper on, get the wheels on, go wake up Zach, put it on the ground. Oh yes. Let's see if it works.
First time moving under its own power.
It's perfect.
Man, you almost stalls it already?
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, I know what it is.
Alright, I don't know if we discussed this, but it's got an idling issue because it's got an intake leak. But it's time. Make sure you get all the sand off your shoes. Alright.
Ooh. The clutch actually feels really good. That's suspicious as fuck.
There you go. Make sure you get a good test on these brakes. Like, you know, make sure they're actually functioning.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Ugh.
Off to a good start.
Okay, so second's not there. Alright, so we don't have second. Off to a wonderful start. Well, it's not like a shit car. We don't have the vibration. But it's very smooth.
Yeah, it does.
Actually, so that's pretty good.
They're going to fifth.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, test the brakes again.
They work really well.